Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to improve a blurry photo for free using Photopea. So you go to photopea.com, open from computer, just give it a second, choose your image, then you go to filter, sharpen, unsharp mask, the last one, and you just move the sliders until you get the best image for you. Click OK. That's it. Here I prepare the comparison. Here is the original photo. Here is the improved one. Original, blurry, improved, less blurry. It's better. And that's it. It won't make it perfect, but it will look better, especially for a free 2-minute fix. After that you go to File, Export As, you choose PNG or JPEG. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.